Here's Lila and Juliet on May 27th, 2013. Lila's almost 3 and Juliet just turned 1. Are you swinging on your new swings?
Yeah.
Fun. Give Juliet a push.
Me.
And you too? Let's see.
Everyone.
Oh, pump your legs. That'll help.
Pump. Pump. Pump my legs. Pump. 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 Pump.
Remember, back and front. Back and front.
Push, Mommy.
Okay. Another big push for Juliet.
I push all by myself.
Looks fun to me. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.